The Silicon Labs BG22 Wireless SoC Explorer Kit is an ultra-low-cost, small form-factor development and evaluation platform for the EFR32 BG22 Gecko Wireless Bluetooth System-on-Chip. The BG22 Explorer Kit includes a microbus socket and quick connector, allowing users to add features to the kit with a large selection of off-the-shelf boards. Programming the Silicon Labs BG22 Explorer Kit is done easily using a USB micro-B cable and the onboard J-Link debugger. A USB virtual COM port provides a serial connection to the target application, and the packet trace interface offers invaluable debug information about transmitted and received packets and wireless links. The BG22 Explorer Kit is supported in Simplicity Studio, and a board support package is provided to give application developers a flying start.